Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1965 Backdraft Cobra Rt3. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the 302 Ford roller cam engine, brand new balancer on there, new fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, roller lifter camshaft in there, aluminum cylinder heads, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Cobra valve covers with a matching Cobra air cleaner. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for easy hookups. You have the proper oil pan on there for the Backdraft Cobra. American made billet steel flywheel, Ford Racing, proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford. These real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. PCV valve, ventilation hose on there, all set up. Electric choke wire. Proper thermostat housing. Customer will be getting the pulley kit on there. That's coming in a few days. I will install that. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes at the engine factory. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand. Manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. Everything will be all dialed in and set, timing set, carburetor adjusted, ready to go. So there you have it. This is our 302 Ford 350 horsepower roller cam turnkey package. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.